It's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video on how to add a color to your color palette. I actually made a video just a few minutes ago, and I found the gentleman's Facebook page question. So I just brought in a rectangle and turned it to my red, which is red 255. Just double click on your fill tool here and you come up with this. So he wanted green 128. And he wanted blue 114. He must have something, some particular color for a client. Press OK. And then to get that color, to use it again in your color palette, is just drag it over till you see a line between the two colors and drop it in there. And then that way, the next time you draw something and you want it that color, just take that color and click on that color. Now to get rid of that color, go to Windows, Color Palettes, Edit Palette, click on that and delete that color. You can actually edit that color from inside that window too. And I would always, you want to save, but I would always go up to Tools and Save as Default, just to make sure everything got saved. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.